Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this head and arms only hack on Dress to Impress. So it's super simple to do. You just need to go on Freeplay and you just need to put this on as well as this on, and if you don't want the feet, just add this on as well. It looks really weird now, but we're just going to go to the, the really dark area to take a picture. We're then going to go here and we're going to select the color 2B. You can even enable the turtleneck if you want just the head. So again, it's actually 272, it's 2A28, the color code. Then we're going to select neon to make it darker, as well as the rest. We're going to do the same here. And if you go to the end here and kind of zoom in, as you can see, well, if you don't have hair, it's more obvious. The body disappears, but it is more obvious without the hair. If you were a bald person, it is more obvious. That is just the head floating, as you can see, and you have the hands floating as well. If you want just the head, obviously just remove this and zoom in and it looks something like this. Super creepy. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.